Look, the White Lightning, our 2007 Cummins. Got some fresh sneakers on the girl. Look at those things. Look at them. I'm gonna set this up on my coffee. Oh, you can't see me. There I am, you two. Don't you worry, buddy. I won't go anywhere. Don't worry, buddy. You guys are sitting on top of my coffee right now. What we got here? Oh, now we can see better, I think. All right. We got a job that's like 35 minutes away today. Pretty easy job. Not exactly sure how we're going to get the lift up on this hill. Guys, hill is... The house and the trees are all up on a hill, and the hill sort of runs down at the road like a... Well, where are you going? That was extremely rude. I'm talking to you guys, trying to tell you what's going on for today, and you're just leaving the conversation. You know what? I'm not even going to tell you. I'll just show you when we get there now. You didn't want to listen? You want to leave the conversation? I'll see you when we get there. Alright, we're on the job. Hopefully you guys are in a better mood. Leave the conversation on me 40 minutes ago while I'm talking. But it's cool. I ain't mad at you guys. I love you, honestly. You guys show me love. I'll show you some love back. We'll probably be better pulling this all the way down because we got to lay mats up through here. Can you make this?
Yeah, it'll probably go if I hit it at an angle.
Because, I mean, we could come in there where it's a lot more flat, but I'd rather not go across this drain. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, if we have to, we will. Let's see what kind of drain this is. Or how deep it is.
Definitely.
Oh, it's a corrugated. So it's not going to hold much weight. Just, we'll have to...
We'd have to double mat it.
Yeah. Let's show you these trees quick here, YouTube. So today we have on the menu one spruce tree coming down. So we got this spruce here. Now the spruce itself is very healthy, but he said when he bought this house about 3 years ago, this wall used to be right in line with this wall. So if we come up here and look there, I don't know if you could get a good shot of it there, but he said it used to be butt up against with this. Not only that, but the stairwell here, as you see, is getting pushed in. The whole stairs are getting pushed in. And he thinks that it's this guy's fault. So, and apparently he's having a few problems with the structure here too. So we're gonna take her down today. Everything goes, all the wood goes, chip the brush. And then over here, what we got going on is this lead here going up here. That whole lead's coming off. They don't want to lose the whole maple. Every other lead on here is leaning away from the house. So he just chose to remove just this lead here, going right over the house. And then there is a big lead right here coming off. We're going to take that back too. Basically take everything that's over top the house and basically put a big old hole right in here around the house. That way he feels safe. They just had a baby, and they won't be worried about nothing falling out. Like I said, every other lead is leaning way away from the house, unless something really crazy happened, some kind of like tornado or hurricane. Under normal circumstances, any of the other leads are going to be falling away from the house. And as you know, shit happens quick here at Expert Tree Service. We already got mats laid. We're not messing around. So we were on our way here and we seen, I mean, it looked like a weather balloon, but it was black. It was really high, but it wasn't moving. And then we just found it again across there, and it's gone. I don't think it was a weather balloon. Not because as far as I know, they're like weather balloons. They put all the instruments on. They let them up into the atmosphere. Did you see it this morning?
I seen it. I don't know what the fuck it was.
You guys seen it though, right?
Yeah, we all seen it.
And whatever it was, what? No.
If it was still where
Oh,
it was
on my
earlier,
pants?
she
On that
clearly
side,
did.
there's a tons of dog on this side.
Oh, that sucks, dude. God damn, bro. Look at this dog shit, dude. How did I get dog shit on my pants? Was there a pile of dog shit 10 inches high?
That was dinosaurs.
God damn, dude. How's that even possible, bro? Yo, you got dog shit in your beard. Nothing's right without Nick here, man. Hey, that balloon thing, whatever was over there, the UFO, we were just looking at it, it's gone.
Put the cloaking device on.
What?
You put the cloaking device on.
Yeah. All right, so what we did here is we're gonna set up a zip line. So we unhooked the fiber optic cable from the house, but there's enough slack it'll touch the road. So we're gonna zip tie it to the porch for now, and that'll allow us to get this down a little faster. Thank you, Dennis. You're such a gentleman. Oh. Is that out of the road? It's probably gonna need more than one. That should be good. Put those back, Dennis. All right, I'm gonna put you guys up in the tree with Buster so we can get some shots. But instead of going helmet cam, we're gonna stick it in the tree a couple different places, try to get some good shots. So say hi to Buster.
Yep.
How was that ride, guys? Good? All right. Well, pay up because it's $20 a zip line. Hey, Ian, I just want to get a shot of that strap. Like that, it's off. That's free from the rope. When you can zip line, it's really nice. It works very well. But the problem is you can't always do it. Because number one, when you cut something that's heavy, the line has a lot of slack in it. So it usually comes down real low. So you have to be really high above a roof line in order to do it. So like at this point, he might be able to take one more. But then he's not going to be able to zip line anymore because once the weight's on the rope droops, sort of, and then it goes too low and you could take a chance of hitting the roof line. So, it works well when you can use it. It's worth setting up if you know you can get a couple good zip lines out of it. It saves a lot of time because if you didn't, what we would do is we would rope it normally. He'd have to put a tip or a pull line in it, and you'd have to have guys physically trying to pull it out, whatever the distance is between the tree and the roof line. So if that's 20 foot behind the roof line, you got a 900-pound piece, even with 4 or 5 guys, they'll pull it out that 20 foot to get past the roof line to bring it down on the ground. But it's quite physically demanding, and if it messes up and goes forward, it hits the house, which we don't want. Alright, let's see coffee making 101. First off, if anybody ever comes back with a flat lid and not a dome lid, you fire them immediately. And if you drink out of a flat lid, first off, I don't know how you have lips because it literally is so sharp it'll cut your lips off, and you're a serial killer. Right?
Right. The first step of a good cup of coffee is dipotassium phosphate, carrageenan, mono and diglycerides, and a sterile lactylate.
Yeah, that's what keeps you awake.
Yeah, well that's where your flavor comes from.
And a June bug.
The June bug, the Red Bull June bug. Oh no! Fucking pure, straight up rookie mistake, dude. Look. Ah.
Damn.
That was straight rookie, dude. So on a small cup, I'll do 2 or 3 Splenda. Little splash of French vanilla with good ingredients that Kevin just listed off for you guys. Oh, that must have been a Jake break up on the field.
That was an airplane.
Yeah, so did I. It's got to be a Jake break coming down that hill. Oh, that's fire. Alright, so everything that we had to trim off the tree is trimmed off the tree. I'm going to show you now. As you can see, there's just a huge gap. That looks like it's going over the house, which is a little bit, but he didn't ask to have that removed. But all this area right here, that had stuff going all over it. So, yeah. Hey, get him a blower so he can blow the roof off. Did you take a look, figure out where you want to go?
Not yet, no.
You want to take a walk?
Yeah, I'll take a walk.
I was gonna
Grabbing Dennis?
That's the whole beach out left in there.
You want some?
Get that, dog.
You want Pete?
That shit look good.
Oh, it was my jerky anyway.
Kev dropped it off to me.
Yeah, I know, but I gave it to Kay.
Oh, okay. Then it works both ways.
Dennis is like, it's like my Jolly Ranchers. Everybody keeps eating the good one.
I know, I ate one Jolly Rancher one day.
Nah. Everybody.
What? He's bitching about Jolly Ranchers again.
It's always bitchy.
I think this is what happened. I bought beef jerky. I paid for it. It's $25 a pound. Gave it to Kev. Kev was done eating it, so he gave Dennis some. Dennis left it laying on the truck. So let me know in the comments, did I have the right to grab the piece of beef jerky? He wasn't eating it. It was laying on the truck. So let me know. All right, Buster. Oh, shit. You could come around here and do something funky here. I don't know. Or you can just get the hell out of the driveway, come down here. But the problem is, you do have a line there. See, once you get your boom up, I mean, it probably shouldn't be in your way, but
Is it possible to cross this wall?
Buster, you can come right through here.
Yeah?
come right through here.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I'll come through here and I'll set up right in here.
Okay. That's the acceptable way to. Are you making wine or are you crushing leaves?
Keep crushing that.
So if you're a tree guy and you're looking to buy a bucket truck or a lift, it's pretty hard to give it a pros and cons, but I'm gonna show you some pros right now. Look at this spot. Let me show that spot there. We have a buried power wire right here. Got about, I don't know, 3 foot there, and we were able to get this outrigger right here, so it's just on solid ground, not pushing on anything. I mean, it's so versatile and it's so easy to get in tight spots. I mean, look at this. The way we have this thing set up is squashed right between the gazebo and the garage, the tree itself. I mean, it's just unparalleled in terms of like maneuverability and setup. I mean, look at it. You wouldn't be able to get anything. Hey, what about this one? So the time is 11:12. He's been up there for about 10 minutes. I want to show you how quick we'll get this tree down. Make sure I got a good view. All right, here we go. It's me versus Dennis. How many cone flips consecutively can you flip and land back flat? So once you land one, the count starts. All right. right, count starts. That's 1. Oh, there's 2. 3. Oh.
4.
There's
Okay.
4.
Okay.
There's 4. No! Alright.
Yeah, stretch. Probably should stretch.
Stretch.
Hard. Getting serious now.
Man down. Come on, CPR. Alright. I gotta be good. Get my flipping on ready. 1. 2. There's 3. See, I'm off right now. 4.
Yeah, he's got it. He's got
5. Oh! 6. Oh!
Yo!
Oh! Hold up! Hold up!
Man.
Hey! Everybody calm down, calm down. 6?
That was 7.
6 or 7?
That was 7.
7? 8.
I'm done. I'm out.
9. 10. That one was fucked up though, but it was.
like it's game over.
Alright, here we go. I don't have to prove anymore. We're gonna go for a double flip here.
Back.
Oh, no.
That was 13.
How many flips can you land? Single
Alright, man,
flips.
so
We're only
listen.
doing single flips.
How many can you land consecutively?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
I
against
got
14.
12. No, that's like 12.
I just did, no, but before the count started, I did 12.
Yeah.
Alright, Kevin's getting in. Kevin's getting in it. Hold on.
Move it up.
Just back up a little. Oh, he's lubing it up. He put some water on it. There's 1. There's 2. 3. 4. Oh, he's going in. He's going hard. 5. I felt that one. That one. Oh man. Time is 12:46. I don't remember what time we started. So when I go to edit it, I will know. Let's shut this off for a second. We gotta talk to Buster here, dude. So Buster,
What's up?
everybody knows you on this. People have talked to you about comments. Everybody knows you're highly skilled.
Yep.
So can we just? What the fuck was going on right here?
So what had happened is that saw,
Okay.
the teeth were all fucked up.
Okay.
So when I put my original cape in,
Yeah.
it cuts at an angle.
Okay.
So nothing line up.
Okay.
That's why I need different saw.
Yeah. You know, it looks like Dennis might have done that.
Hey,
Dennis, you didn't make this notch down up here, did you?
guy, come on, new guy, you're doing a back
Oh no! Oh, there's a bee!
God shit!
There's a bee!
Let's go. Enough talking.
Let me just get one more view of that. See, guys, look. Here's a line.
See,
there was another line.
This called fucked up.
Yeah. It
Fucked
just
up.
looked like the lines on the side of the road or something. Like, I mean, it's just horrible.
Yeah, you know.
All right.
Son of a
All right,
bitch.
let's go. He knows what he's doing, but apparently the saw didn't.
The rubber
grommets on that saw are going, Kev.
The rubber.
Perfect. Beautiful. Nice job, Buster. Not bad for your first ever drop.
Listen,
Look at that pole.
I watched YouTube and I figured I'd give it a try.
You should watch at Keith Hughes Jr.
Yep.
Good YouTube channel.
Like
to watch
and subscribe.
Right there. Yep. If you guys are not watching that channel, it's a good channel. Good channel. Watch that. Okay, you have to button your rest up.
Yo!
Scott, you got a Jimi Hendrix shirt? Yeah. Not bad. That one didn't spit anything. That thing's gonna turn. Alright, job's done. Loading equipment right now. And we got two guys that actually got to leave early today, so we're not going to go to another job. I'm just going to go back to the yard, probably I'll clean the trucks out or something. And call it a day. So thanks for watching. Say bye, Scott.